Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off motion notifications on Ring app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead access our Ring app on our mobile phone. We're gonna go back and go to our dashboard of our Ring app. Afterwards, what we're gonna do, again tap on this three horizontal on top left corner. Now tap on the devices option given below the dashboard option, and now select the relevant device. For me, I do not have added connected any of the devices. For you, you will find this device either your camera or you can find your door ring bell. Go ahead, access this. Now tap at the top of the screen. You can toggle the following on or off ring alerts option that will be on top. Once you have tapped the motion settings, then afterwards you can go ahead, go to the settings of the motion, and then you will find this option called motion sensitivity when you can go ahead turn this off on according to your need. That way your notification will also get turned off for the matter. So, and that way you can customize that. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.